guys, today we're going to be unboxing and doing a setup of Poor George, and we're also going to do a demo. We picked this guy up at Spirit. I know we said we were going to set up a Jester from Home Depot, but we got this guy from Spirit Halloween the last time we went there. Let's set him up. Okay, let's open Poor George's box. We have not opened this yet. Oh, it's one of those that we got to slide out. Okay, put this down and get it out.
Do you need help?
And got it. There.
Ooh, there you go.
Here is his box.
Ooh, there's his guts right on top.
So first we got his shoulders and his guts are right on top. An arm foam thing. Another one. And here is this guy's head. Get it out of here. Wow. His head looks so cool. Look at this. Here's his like
Scary face.
yeah, and here's his
other
smiley.
scary face. I think they're both scary.
Here's his hands. His hands are actually pretty big. Compared to the camera, these are pretty big. Next, we got his clothes and sleeves. Here are the clothes and sleeves and the instructions.
Throw them away.
Don't need that.
You sure about
We are
that?
professionals. We don't need instructions.
Okay.
Here is the other shoulder piece. I'm guessing. And we have some zip ties. Almost done, guys. Now,
What head are you gonna make her face forward? His scary face or his friend? His smiley face?
I think we're gonna do that bloody thing.
Bloody face when he's looking at you.
Yep. This was this. Uh-oh.
Mhm.
Oh. There you go.
Ooh, you look so cool.
Poor George.
Alright, there's the setup. Now let's plug him in and see how he works. plug is right there underneath his hand.
Going in there.
And something that I find interesting about this is each hand has this little jack. This looks like it's for the step pad, it says. But on the other hand, it also has a little jack for a speaker. Like if you want to hook a speaker up and have them be even crazier loud.
Alright guys, now we're going to plug Mr. Georgie in.
Alright. There he goes.
Pretty cool.
There's Poor George.
Nope.
Pretty awesome. So what do you think?